Well, let's try and hold this thing steady. Welcome to a Saturday evening in Texas. We were kind of busy today. Just kind of a little update of what we did today. We took out all these stones, took that tiller right there and tilled all that down. And we're going to let grass grow up in there now. And we got into the garden and we're going to let that, got that all tilled up so that we can plant what we want to plant rather than all that nutsedge that was in there. And now we got 155 of those stones over there that we're going to be selling. I'm going to use some of them to build a new fire pit, but for the most part we're just going to sell them off to whoever wants them. Just a quick update. Garden, she says she may throw some lettuce and tomatoes and cantaloupe and out there. Really like the cantaloupe that she usually plants, really sweet. Can't wait for cantaloupe. All right, this is One Bad Mac YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by to see what we've been doing to the garden. Catch you later.